Trading Hub is trying to help you out. It's trying to show you the way. But they're millions, but then you're doing 350 special. Like, does that make sense to you? It's just that you guys don't learn. Aye, man. You don't learn. You don't fucking learn. You don't fucking learn. You've been scammed with the same. Now, guys, you see, I've realized this game, the time you start being real and start noticing shit, that's the time they'll say you are hating, whatever, whatever. It's not hating. Sometimes it's like standing to what's true, it hurts. If you were to talk about those mentors that are top, people will say, you're just jealous. A lot of people are crying out there. Your mothers, your fathers are crying. Your parents are crying. Your fucking parents, your mom are losing money. How are you going to be mentored by a 13-year-old boy? Forex is alone, I must say. I'm even thinking of like going off Instagram. What mentorship are you going to get from a boy who's 13 years, like 14 years old? Nowadays, I see mentors from the age of 14. What is it that you're going to mentor me at the age of 14? What is it that you're going to tell me about money? Let's respect each other. Let's respect each other. You're 14 years old. You are telling me you'll walk with me through the Forex chain. Which chain are you talking about? Which chain are you talking about? Eh? Tell me, which chain? Which chain are you talking about? Are you gonna listen for financial advice from a young boy? Forex is not easy. Forex is not easy. If Forex was easy, now I'll repeat my statement. If you hate me, you hate me. If you love me, you love me. That doesn't change my account. It doesn't change your account. Eju, why are you doing signals? They'll tell you, nah, dog, we're doing signals because when I was working alone, nobody was there. What work were you doing alone? Like, guys, this game, when you start being realistic, they'll say, he started that one. You get what I'm saying, guys? Like, each and every time when you try to say something which it doesn't sit well with the public they hate, that's the reason nobody loves Ndamus. You understand? Like, nobody loves Ndamus because he's real. You get what I'm saying? There's Forex and there's surviving with students. Two things. There's Forex, there's surviving with students. You get what I'm saying? Forex and surviving with students is two things. Oh, no, I won't lie. There's Forex, there's surviving with students. Two things. You get what I'm saying? Let me even write it. There's Forex and there's surviving with student. There's Forex and there's surviving with students. You got models to go. If I'm busy, I'm not in there. Nah, there's Forex and there's surviving with student. Ask me, I'll tell you. Ask me, yeah, I'll tell you. And I won't even hide from it. There's Forex, there's surviving with students. Guys, I've seen I've seen. There's Forex, there's surviving with students. You get what I'm saying? Don't you think mindset of making moves in the market is not easy? What's the difference? The difference is when I say there's Forex, it's when you're making money straight from the market. Surviving with students, like the 1 minute special. But we take a 1 minute special. I gotta get time ya SLC high fail. Okay. Guys, you can't take a price from 10,000. You're selling something from 10,000 to 5,000 for 2 hours. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. He busy le bolela ga batho. Marre, tra bolela ga batho. Ju, Narulalanete, Ju. Guys, we're trading the same market. It's no different. It's like when you see, guys, I feel like buying signal is one of the fucked up things that one can do. Fun. If you feel like you're blowing, Ejo, they're blowing those people. They don't post their losses. We're trading the same market, black child. Right. How many signal providers have you moved from? You all know. Alena, you guys are fine. You blew your own mind. You have seen it's hard. A young boy tells you, a very, very young boy, say, don't lose hope. Ungalahli themba. Ungalahli themba. You went from Manando to Manando 2, Manando 2 to Manando 8. Sazoba change. It's still early. It's still early, mtase. Tonaga mat, still early. Still gonna change them. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. You'll still change them. It's still early. It's still early. Yeah, like when I'm this, I even talk. You understand? Yeah, it's still early. Yeah, I don't lie. It's still early. You get what I'm saying? You went from Manando. You went to Korea. You've been mentored. Your forex journey is just a piece of shit. Understand? Your forex journey. Or you have 6 mentors, man. Manando taught you trend line. Marco taught you order blocks. You see, sometimes it even goes with your ancestors, guys. Vale lo yalona, like la move forex. Vale lo ile. Like what lots alone, vale lo ile. Outside my sale. Then you join forex. You come with your cash. Sometimes you guys are cashed, you know. Like when they made you not to make it in life. Even if you were to get the best signals, you won't make money. They've already dealt with you. The time you realize that black magic is real is the day where you'll start praying very hard. Understand? Guys, when they did whatever they did, black people, you can come for my signals. People will make money. You'll be the only one taking losses. You'll be the only one taking losses. You failed other blocks. You failed trend lines. You failed what? You failed support and resistance. You failed Fibonacci, whatever. You failed what strategy? You failed DJ Coach 1 minute strategy. Or 1 year, like things are fucked up. I'll run and say, you went from robot to robot to even thinking of getting a Magundwani. Guys, labana lempilo bafit. Lempilo izo hambula. The market is not your father. You understand? Yeah, liquidity whatever. Still unopala. Kuraju. Atlena. Fake. Forex yashaya. They don't tell you the truth. They don't tell you the truth. I feel like you guys are being fed by a textbook about Forex, you know. Yeah, you see, when you look at it on Instagram, Forex on Instagram is nice. Even on YouTube is more nice. I don't lie. On YouTube it's more nice. When they showcase life of a trader, man, under the goat. Bon. Fake. Industry. Life of a trader. You go there. Guys, should I ask you a simple question, right? When the grass is green, everyone posts. But then when the grass is dry, nobody posts. What I'm trying to say is, when someone is drinking a expensive champagne, they will post. But when they are drinking milk stout, it's not easy to post. Can you? Nina. God. Bro, God has to deal with you specifically. Again, you how did you balance Forex Betway? ne? It's not easy. Betway now wheelie, kai wheelie. Guys, there's nothing you haven't tried. Now you can learn the skill. I know niggas who are better than me when they're analyzing. But then money. Where's money? Man. The way smart money, let's get smart money traders praise themselves. Not the way they praise themselves. You can just see that, those ones. Those ones. Let's get smart money, whatever. The way you praise yourself, it's like you can come forward and say, I can show my trading account. You know, the debate, whenever it comes to smart money, they'll talk about their main tools, not them. That's the boring part about the smart money guys. Whenever we are talking, the topic is hot, they'll always bring their main tools up. Yo, check Marco is trading what. You know, you say they should check Marco. Marco is a millionaire. What about you? Smart money. You know, already DVD is saying smart money traders anymore.